It's juicy. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to cook crispy fried pork belly known as Lechon Kawali in the Philippines. To make this recipe, we need these following ingredients: 1/2 kilo pork belly slab, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 3 laurel leaves or bay leaves, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 cups cooking oil, and 1 cup water. This recipe is easy to prepare. All we have to do is, in a pot, place the pork belly, season with salt, vinegar, garlic, whole peppercorn. After placing those ingredients, marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. After marinating 15 minutes, we will now add water, then bay leaves. This time, we will bring to a boil this pork belly. We will check now. Our pork belly is now boiling. Once boiled, remove the pork belly from the pot and transfer it to a clean plate and let it dry. In a wok, pour 4 cups of cooking oil. Let it heat. Once heat already, fry the pork belly and cook until golden brown and crispy. This is my crispy pork belly. This is now my Filipino crispy fried pork belly recipe. And if you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day!